Hey, what's up everyone, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Bittorrent token. What's the current price of BTT, what's the price changes occur in the BTT, and especially in this video we discuss the price changes occurs in the Bittorrent token, what will be the next move, what will be the next price of the BTT. Let's see my friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's move on and let's start the video, my friends. You can see here, if you look the latest price of the Bittorrent token, so the latest price of the BTT in the market is 0.00432 USD dollar, friends. That is the latest price of the Bittorrent token. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Bittorrent token, so absolutely the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, and last 1 week pricing is again negative. Only and only the last 1 week price change as negative, except after the last 1 week the price changes occur in the Bitcoin token as going positive. So I'm very happy and I want to congratulations on Bittorrent token holders, that after a long time you can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is still negative. So just imagine, you can see here, if you look the price chart of the Bittorrent token, so that is the last 1 month price chart, and the last 1 month price chart is still negative. So that is why I'm very happy to Bittorrent token again start moving upward. That is why I'm very happy, my friends. You can see here, if you look the price chart of the Bitcoin token, so the price is continuously fast down in the start of new month, friends, and now in the end of month, now the price start moving upwards. So I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time. But my prediction about Bitcoin token is that I think that the huge pump of the Bitcoin token are coming soon in the start of June, my friends. In the start of new month, friends, there is a lot of chances to they take a jump, my friends. So that is why I recommend for everyone to, it's time to hold, not to sell. Don't decide to sell, my friends. If you decide to sell Bitcoin tokens, absolutely the last 1 month price chart it changes as negative, so you are in the loss if you decide. And if you hold, so maybe there is a lot of chances to they take a jump in the future, friends. That is why I recommend for everyone to, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.